Hi guys, today I will tell you that this geophone has some serious problem that can't be ignored. So let's get started. Now I will show you the serious problem in this geophone. See, this is the serious problem. I will now try to fix the problem in this phone. It is almost impossible to fix the problem in this phone. I am pressing all button but it is not working. If you had experienced the same problem in your geophone, you can comment below. I will now try to solve the problem by using a charger. See, I will now plug the micro USB into the phone. See, there is no notification in the geophone. See, the charging notification is not coming while charging the geophone. I will now unplug the charger and again try to switch off the phone by pressing on red button. See, it is not working. This phone has fallen ill, and a sub to the channel would be amazing.